Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we are going to see the unboxing and review of this stainless steel bathroom corner side shelf. So I ordered it from Amazon.com, and it is kind of a giveaway that I won it. So it is not an order. So I won this as a giveaway from Amazon.com. So now, as you can see, so the name of this product is Home Ideas Bathroom Shelf Organizer Corner Shelf. So it is a stainless steel, kind of stainless steel, because from my own experience, so I am making this video about after using 2.5 years. So the thing is that after using it 1 year, I got the rusting on the plate. So I can't say it is a kind of a full stainless steel, but you can see the quality. It looks like a stainless steel, but you know that because of the water quality, somehow you can get the rusting. So that's a normal thing. Now you can see that what we are getting a kind of a screw thread in a as a part to fix this, and we are getting a second thing, which is a kind of a second option to fix this plate by using these sticky plates, 4 sticky plates for fixing this corner shelf. And these are some kind of a protruding parts that you can use it on this to expand the plate dimensions. So that's and you can see that it kind of a used one, or I'm not sure. So this is the corner plate, and let me open this. So wow, so you can see that it's very shiny and kind of good looking plate. That you can see it is, the number is SUS 304. So it is a stainless steel 304, I think so. And you got this one paper, which is a kind of a manual or having an installation procedure for fixing this plate. So let's see in detail, and we will see in this video that how can you use the sticky plates to fix this corner plate in your bathroom. So as you can see, you will need to follow the steps which are as shown in this manual installation procedure. So you will just pull out the back side of this sticky tapes, and you will just fix this on the wall. This is the first step. The second step is that you can use the screw one, but I'm not going to use the screw one because it will need time consuming, and I will need to drill the hole for that. So I will use these sticky plates for my fixation of this plate. So let's go to bathroom and fix this. So first of all, we need to take the measurement that where we need to stick the sticky plates so that we can fix the corner shelf. And just take the measurement, just try to use the pencil, sketch pens, and fix these sticky plates on the markers. finally I am fixing the fourth sticky plate, and after this you will see that all the four sticky plates has been sticked firmly and wholly on this wall. So that's all for this fixing the plate. And now I will place this corner stainless steel bar or corner stainless steel shelf on these sticky plates that has protruding parts, and you need to be sure that all these in the slots these protruding parts can easily fit it, so that the plate can get its proper position. So that's all for fixing this and for mounting this corner plate in this video, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit a like button and subscribe my channel, Wise Man. Thank you.